Welcome to this yoga class to wind down from your day. Perfect to release any tension, calming the mind and restoring energy after a long day. Roll out your mat. Let's get started. Just come seated on the mat and just close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just allow your shoulders to drop. Breathe in again. And as you breathe out, just feel yourself letting go and your whole body just relaxing. One more deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just becoming more present, letting go of your day, allowing your breath to be deeper, and just becoming present in the moment. So let's come into all fours and just coming back onto your heels. You can have your legs wide or together and just coming forward, bringing your arms forward. If it's too much, bring your hands to your forehead or arms in front. Just allow yourself to relax and let go. Feeling a lovely stretch on your arms and a lovely stretch on your back. Just breathing deeply, allowing yourself to let go of any tension and unwinding from your day. In these moments, just allow anything that's not working for you, any distraction, any thoughts, to just float away like clouds on a sunny day. All that means is it just takes a bit of practice to just let go of things that don't work for you anymore. Any judgments, any criticisms. Breathing deeply and just relaxing into this moment. It's the only moment you have. And then come up slowly, coming onto your backs now. I'm laying down, taking your arms out and just taking knees in one direction and head in the other direction. Breathing deeply, just letting go. Close your eyes and relax. Embrace the silence. Let your mind go quiet. Let your body relax. And then bringing your head and your knees to the center and going over in the other direction. Feeling a lovely stretch on your neck, your back, your hips. Breathe deeply. Allow your breath to flow all the way down to your belly and relax. Bringing your head and legs to the center and just taking your hands behind your knees, your calves, or even your feet. This is called Happy Baby. So you're just feeling a lovely stretch on your back. Really wonderful to stretch your legs and just relax into it. You might want to stretch both legs, or one leg at a time. Just feeling a lovely stretch on the back of your legs. And then coming down, putting your feet on the mat, rolling to one side, coming on to all fours, and breathing in and looking up, breathing out and looking down, breathing in, looking up, breathing out, looking down. One more time, breathe in, look up, breathe out, look down, and coming to the center. Now just bringing one arm up and then just threading it through like a needle, just coming down, taking one hand in front, just feeling a lovely stretch in your shoulder. Take a deep breath here. Allow yourself to just relax into the pose. And coming out slowly. Let's do the other side. So bringing that arm up and just threading it through. Bringing the other arm in front, feeling a lovely stretch on the shoulder. Breathe. Embrace these moments of silence to let go of your day, quieten your mind. Become present. It's the only moment you have. And coming out slowly. And then bringing your toes on the mat. Spread your fingers, push yourself up. Now your heels may not touch the mat, it doesn't matter, just push them towards the mat, feeling a lovely stretch on your calves, and then just pedal your feet. Might want to move side to side. And then pushing them down. And then bringing one knee down onto the mat and then the other foot in front, looking a bit like a lunge. And you're just going to come back and forward, back and forward, back and forward. Then taking that foot back and then bringing the other foot in front, going back and forward, back and forward, back and forward and back. And then coming forward and bringing that foot back. And then bringing your legs in front. And just stretching up. Push your tailbone down to protect your core and your back. Breathe in and stretch up. Pushing your tailbone down and then just coming forward. Now you may be here, you might be here, you might be here, or you might even be able to touch your toes. Wherever you are, it's absolutely perfect as long as you feel a stretch in your back, your neck. Just relax into it. Take a few deep breaths here and just relax. Breathe. Letting go of anything that's disturbed you today. Just becoming quiet in your mind. Body's becoming relaxed. Maybe you're going to bed afterwards. You're going to have a wonderful night's sleep. Breathe. If it's too much, just come up and relax into it, or go deeper. You know your body best, so do what feels comfortable to you. And then come up slowly. Now, if you've got a wall near you, you're going to bring your legs up on the wall, or if you don't, just come lying on your mat. Raise your legs. This is really wonderful, especially if you're standing all day, to just allow all that weight to let go of that. Or if you've got a wall near you, just come close to the wall and bring your legs up the wall. Relax into it. Bring your arms out and just breathe. Wonderful to let go, especially if you've been standing on your feet all day. Breathe and let go, relax. And then slowly bend your legs. Roll to one side if your legs are on the wall, or even if your legs are up. Use your arms to push yourself up. And then come lying on the mat. Relax into this laying position. You should be feeling relaxed as you've let go of your day. Focusing on your breath. And as you breathe out, saying, I release the day, embracing inner calm. Breathing in again, and as you breathe out, I release the day and embrace inner calm. One more time, breathing in, and as you breathe out, I release the day and embrace inner calm. I'm going to leave you here now, wishing you a wonderful, restful evening. And I look forward to practicing with you again. If you feel that this has helped you and it would help anyone else, do share it with somebody else so they can feel relaxed and wind down from their day. I look forward to practicing with you again, and until next time, namaste.